Hello there, and this is part five of my pocket. This is part four by his pocket, my second pocket sketchbook. Yeah, and as you can see here, I'm trying to fix because my phone case is starting to fall apart, and it's starting to come like these weird strings right here. It's starting to fall apart and it's starting to interfere with the camera a little bit. So I'm gonna fix that right now. And yeah, this is part four of my second pocket sketchbook. As you can see, you have some new drawings. I have a total of 26 new drawings of both old and new characters alike. So I'm going to show you guys right now. And as the first drawing I'm going to show you guys right now, I'm going to start off where I left off on my part three. I see with Candy the cat from Kyle Adventures. And this is the character, the friendly weasel character that I did a flipbook of. You guys should check that out as well. The flipbook animation I did of this character, the friendly weasel. Friendly Weasel character that I also drew in this sketchbook as well. So Friendly Weasel playing basketball and stuff. And this is a Lemia, a monster girl character. You know, half snake, half lady character. Who has the upper body of a lady and the bottom of a snake. Lemia character. Monster girl character. I used to like drawing mythical creatures, so a lot of like mythical creatures alike and stuff. Here's Afro Play Lady. Flirting with you guys. Well, the guys that are watching this video, she's flirting with you. Or if you're a girl, that likes this character, then I won't judge. So here's Figgy the Squirrel. Characters like to draw a lot as well. Figgy the Squirrel. Here's an elephant seal character. At least a male elephant seal. These things are kind of huge. I mean, I don't think they're just called elephant seals just because of the trunk they have on their nose as well. But they're also huge compared to other seals. I think they're the largest seals in the world as well. Elephant seals. Elephant seal character. Here is Jack the Jackalope from Werewolf. Jack the Jackalope, who's like has electric powers and stuff. Who's friends with Mandy the monkey character from the last sketchbook tour video, who's also part of Werewolf. There's a Goblin Girl cheerleader character. Kind of a weird mashup of mythical and modern stuff. There's a Goblin cheerleader lady. Here's a city landscape near the ocean and stuff. I guess you can say this is kind of like an abandoned city that's been abandoned and stuff. And you can see the cars that are driving through the bridge, the bridge that goes over the water or the overpass. The abandoned city right here. Takes refuge of many animals who take advantage of the landscape abandoned by humans and stuff. It's an island city. Here's this crab character. This like cartoon crab character I like to draw a lot as well. You know, he's trying to grow his claw to oppress the ladies of his species. You know, the female crabs usually go for the crabs with the biggest claws. So, yeah. Here's some robot characters from Scrappy Discovery as well. Robot characters I like to draw as well. I could like to draw a lot. The design that was inspired by this character was Metagross from Pokemon. Was the inspiration for this robot design that I like to draw a lot. You know, Metagross, the pseudo-legendary Pokemon. And this robot character right here. Yeah. Here's Belle, the bounty hunter from Scrappy Discovery. You know, this cute like bounty hunter lady whose inspiration is from Samus from Metroid. Yeah. I played a lot of Super Metroid before I decided to draw a character that's similar to Samus. Yeah. And here's her helmet right here. She's just chilling. Here's some dragon characters. This is Data or Daida. I think that's how you pronounce the name. It's supposed to be dragon in Japanese, so yeah. This is like this cute dragon lady character, and this dragon character also fell in love with her as well. This is a dragon character from Falcon Force, who gets his butt kicked by Angel, the Angel the Falcon. Yeah, it's a cute dragon lady character. I did make a comic. While I was in the other country, I did make a comic about her and Drake the Dragon, the flightless dragon. I think I can show you guys right now. Let's see. Yeah, this character, Drake the Dragon, also falls in love with her as well. I make a comic based on that. I think it's called the Flightless Dragon, the Alpha. I think that's what it's called, where Drake has to battle other dragons like this one to fight for her love and stuff. It's kind of funny that way. Oh, I guess you can get away with nudity on YouTube, I guess. I mean, this is a nude boss lady. You know, you could get away with nudity if it's like for educational purposes or like anatomy lessons for like drawing stuff. So this is a nude mouse lady character. I drew her naked because I was, yeah. Yeah, let's not get into that. It's my personal business. Here's Hugo the cat from Cat Island Adventures. Hugo. He's like the one of the main characters of Cat Island Adventures. Here is the Birdman character. Who is a half man, half bird. Kind of like a harpy character, but it's male. I guess a male harpy. I guess there are male harpies, right? I'm not sure. Here's Brutus from Karate Bugs and Abby from Karate Bugs. They're doing karate stances and fighting. The inspiration for this pose right here is the karate kick pose that I looked online. I saw poses of like karate kicking, and since it's Karate Bugs, I decided to draw something like that. So yeah. Here's the elf lady, cute elf lady. I mean, I can't really decide how I draw her because sometimes she looks different, sometimes she doesn't. She's kind of like inconsistent in terms of her drawings and stuff because it's mostly because of her hair. Sometimes her hair will be right in front of her face like this, and sometimes her hair will be back like this. Sometimes I do that. So yeah, trying to keep that consistently. Like this could be the elf lady's sister or something. It could be sisters or something, like twin sisters or something. Here's the Griffin character. I like drawing mythical creatures as well, along with dinosaurs and kaijus and stuff. The Griffin, half lion, half eagle. Here's a dragon character. This man-eating plant dragon. And it's like spiky mouths and stuff. Kind of looks like a piranha plant, but it's a dragon. A piranha plant from Mario. Or Pac-Man. Here's Figgy the Swirl again. Doing the cross leg, cross arm pose. That I like to draw a lot. The reason why I like drawing this pose specifically because it shows that it shows confidence and like femininity when it comes to female characters and stuff. That's usually why I like drawing this pose a lot. It represents both confidence and femininity. At least the characters being feminine, at least. Even my grandma crosses her legs sometimes like this as well. So yeah, her grandma was still alive. Here's the harpy lady character who's like a harpy lady. I think it's same as the Birdman character, but as a lady character. Harpy lady. I mean, they probably are male harpies. I'm not sure. I know there's our bird. They're like the bird character. I think it's called the Goros from I think that's what they're called from Legend of Zelda. They're bird people. I'm guessing. I forgot what their names was. It's from Breath of the Wild. Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. Where they have both male and female like bird people characters. It's kind of like that. There's a mushroom character, the evil parasitic mushrooms from Karate Bugs, who end up taking over Bree, the mouth character. Bree's now a zombie. And you have to find, and I think it's Blade, Abby, and Brutus have found a cure for her. Master Athon has to take care of her while she's unconscious and stuff. Yeah. Here's like a warrior monkey character. I haven't really thought of the name of this character yet. I've been drawing this character a lot lately. It's like a warrior monkey character. Kind of looks like Super Saiyan 3 hair. It's kind of cool. Super Saiyan 3 haircut is kind of a cool haircut. So in terms of like characters and animation stuff, kind of cool that way. Here's a kangaroo character. Kangaroos. I guess when they stand upwards, they kind of look like this. At least the male kangaroos. The male kangaroos are kind of like buffer than the female kangaroos. They're kind of larger too. They kind of stunt upwards to like fighting stuff. That's usually what this poses is. Yep, and that's it. I have a total. I did 26 drawings. So maybe next time I do 30 drawings, I'm probably going to do a sketchbook tour video. I mean, this is what I've been drawing so far. So yeah, these characters right here. And that's 26 drawings total on my pocket sketchbook, my second pocket sketchbook tour video. And if you like my videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And that's it.